When Elemica was built in 2000, we used the best technologies that were available in 2000. Now, since then, the technologies have advanced, and we're leveraging those technologies. What's core to our upgrade is we're basically changing our core data structures and how we're mapping your intercompany data. But once you're on a new technology, there's a tremendous advantage to it. If you want to double your size on a network, it's going to be much cheaper on a new network than it would be on the old network, because the new network is going to be more efficient both in terms of adding new partners, identifying who those partners are, and adding them. With our new network, we really see this as an enabler to allow a business person to have ideas, and with our new platform as a service approach, we think that we can help you realize those ideas. We're going to take technology off the critical path and help you develop those next generation applications using your ERP and Elemica. The more data you have, the more accurate data you have in terms of, when did customers want product? When did they want it as compared to when did you promise it and when did you actually deliver it? Having accurate data in all those dimensions can help you to make sure that you're pre-positioning product in warehouses, have the transportation assets lined up, the manufacturing assets lined up to really drive those important metrics. When Elemica looks at that, we see that we have a large amount of structured data in our networks. Data from carriers, from customers, from suppliers, from third-party providers, tank readings. So we designed the network from the ground up to be able to support those structured data sets so that we can act on them in applications and also in the analytics. So the power of that is that we could take the structured data that's coming in and we could marry it up with outside data feeds. We're going to do all of the upgrade in the background, and it's going to be non-obtrusive to your business. And we're going to run your data through the current network, look at what went in and what came out, and we're going to carbon copy the data into the new network. And we're going to do 100% comparison for a period of time, log those test results, and then show them to you and say, hey, we've been running you in parallel in the new network for a period of time. It matches precisely what has been happening in the old network. Do you want us to cut over the connections? And we'll cut over the connections, and all you'll perceive is basically more network performance, and then you'll have the ability to visualize the data using the tools of the next generation network.